So, customer state part 3, take out the starter clutch. Yeah, it's still there. Let's see what happens. You can order the bolts on my site. Yes, it looks easy when you use the right tools. There is no problem to deinstall, reinstall. No, take the parts apart. So. All those bearings, those little things are still there. That's okay. The crankshaft feels good. That's not the problem. But not tuned. Okay, let me look through here. What do I see? Okay. Yes. What I see is a lot of hitting points of the rollers. So something happened here, and when you turn it around between your fingers, you can feel the difference of all those places that is grip on by those rollers and has deforced this surface. So this one I don't use. Okay, this one I throw out. Then I check the rear of the other part of the system, of the starter clutch. 3 rollers are there. Also the friction plate inside here is there. That's okay. Something is missing there. That's okay. And when I look here, I see a difference. I also see hitting points inside the flywheel casing, and still I have a question. Where is that part? Not there. Not there. Something is here. Fuck it. What's that? Oh. One of the bushings is broke. Sometimes I see them in an old engine and the cap is broken off, and when that happens the spring also is getting a new life. It's also bent. Okay, Klaas, you're right. There was a fucking problem with your engine. But not in the beginning. All parts were installed. We have a bad luck. Okay, what I'm going to do is find new parts. And this one I throw away. I don't use it. Also this one I don't use it. I throw it away. The springs I also throw away. And the rollers, believe it or believe it not, they are so strong. You can reuse them. You may have them from me. Okay, that's clear. That's the problem. Because this is CX500, I need a flywheel with a pickup point to give the ignition a pulse. So I can't use a GL or GL500 650 engine. I have to use a CX500 flywheel, so I have to find one. I can use another start gear, that's not a problem, but I don't want to use this flywheel. I also don't want to use this part because it had suffered a lot stress, because it was not in the middle anymore with starting. So that's why this engine has a failure, and I will find other parts. Thank you for watching me. When you have questions, please email me. Bye bye!